Hemp oil. There is so much buzz right now around these little bottles of oil tinctures. You hear about hemp in just about every form of media these days, from the news to articles circulating on social media, to Senate bills being passed, and even on TV shows. Hemp seems to be all anyone is talking about. So what's the big deal? Well, here's what you need to know about hemp. First, it is a powerful antioxidant. In fact, hemp oil contains more antioxidants than most whole fruits and vegetables, as well as several key minerals and vitamins like E and D, as well as fatty acids. Second, hemp is amazing in terms of sustainability because of the short time it takes to grow. Where a tree can take many years to mature, hemp only takes approximately 4 months from plant to harvest. Hemp has many other uses other than just nutritional benefits. In fact, did you know that the first 2 drafts of the Declaration of Independence were written on paper made from hemp? Its fibers have a wide variety of applications, from paper to plastic, fuel, clothing, and ropes. So if we have known about all the uses of hemp for so long, why does it seem to be the next big thing right now? Here's a small history lesson for you. In the 1700s, farmers in Virginia, Massachusetts, and Connecticut were required by law to grow hemp. And in some colonies, failure to grow hemp could actually lead to jail time. In the early 1800s, during the agricultural age of our nation, hemp could actually be used to legal tender to pay taxes with. Then around the 1930s, with the industrial age taking off, suddenly hemp was made illegal and villainized with a lot of racial and gender-related propaganda. Gross. This was all largely due to the paper industry running scared because hemp was so much more cost-effective than paper. It's just recently, with the discovery of how vital the cannabinoids found in hemp are to our overall health, that have begun to rediscover all the phenomenal benefits of this amazing plant. There are tons of phytocannabinoids, bioflavonoids, and terpenes that are found naturally in the hemp plant. These compounds, when combined, create a synergistic effect to produce a greater response than any of them create individually. So, how exactly does hemp oil work inside our bodies? Every mammal has what is called an endocannabinoid system. This is a lipid-derived signaling system that was discovered in the 1990s. As it turns out, hemp is full of the phytocannabinoids that activate these receptors. This system is responsible for the memory networks in the brain. Hemp is part of the cannabis plant family. The 2 strains that make up this family are marijuana and hemp. So, while they may have many similarities, they also have some distinctive differences that are important to know. Both are high in cannabinoids, and these little molecules bind to receptors in our bodies. However, their phytocannabinoid compound levels are not the same. Hemp is high in cannabinoids like CBD, CBG, and CBC, where marijuana is high in THC, which is responsible for the high feeling you get. Hemp is quite low in THC, under 0.3%, which means you won't get the same psychoactive effects as you would with marijuana. This makes hemp ideal for getting the phytocannabinoids our bodies need without the psychotropic effects. Cannabinoids, like those found naturally in hemp, are homeostatic regulators, and they circulate through our bodies continuously. Cannabinoids bind the CB1 and the CB2 receptors either directly or indirectly. Cannabinoid receptors CB1 and CB2 facilitate the responses inside the body, which are critical to maintaining homeostasis. CB1 receptors are excitatory and can be primarily found in the lungs, kidneys, central nervous system, and liver. CB2 receptors are located in the circulatory and immune systems. So why does this all matter? The signaling systems help your body communicate better with all its different parts. This helps support your body's overall health and general well-being.